To whiten a sink, I'm going to use Comet. Not only to whiten the sink, but I'm also going to use it to remove the scratches that happen from pots and pans, and some of the stains from water making like the rust and the buildup of stuff in the water that may run down from the sink's faucet. So as you can see here, I'm using the scrubby and those little scratches aren't coming off. For this video though, I'm going to do a quick demonstration by using Comet. I'm making it like into a paste where I'm adding a little bit of water at a time to make it paste in there to sit into the sink on either side of the sink if you have two sinks. Normally you let this sit for about 10 minutes after you make the paste, but to quickly demonstrate how this works in the video, I'm going to be cleaning both sides of the sink after I've put the Comet in the sink and made the paste. So I'm just going to speed this up in real time where I'm just scrubbing back and forth between each sink. Now notice when you get to the end of this video, you'll see a little bit of the stain left over from the bottom of the sink, which normally, if it was not recorded in the video, I would let this normally sit for 10 minutes and finish cleaning the sink that way instead of doing it this quick. Recording it with the video only took 6 minutes or so. So you can see all the scratches in the back are gone. No more scratches. And to get those harder stains there, I'd leave it, for the 10 minutes or 15 minutes in the bottom to get the rest of that you see in there. So mix a Comet with paste and add it to the sink and let it sit in there, and it will whiten up your sink and remove the scratches out of the sink. And the longer you leave it, the better it will work.